all of them loving President George H.W. Bush for his common decency, for his love of country, for the fact that he was so relatable that today during the eulogy, we all understood his dislike for broccoli as George W. shared that with us. And here we go, the low hum of Special Air Mission 41.
We're just going to go
cruising
ahead
over
and
the skies
observe
of
the moment.
College Station. And there it is, Special Air Mission 41, transferring the casket that's carrying the body of President George H.W. Bush, moving from Washington, D.C. through the skies of Texas, now heading towards Ellington Field. We heard so much today about the importance of friendship, and I can't tell you well enough. I've made so many friends in the parking lot of Reed Arena. I'm joined with the mother of one of the Texas A&M students. You watched the funeral services this morning. It is okay to cry. He felt like family, didn't he?
Yeah, he really did. He was an amazing president. He really was. He was amazing. My favorite president. He's an amazing.
All right, folks, we are just observing and taking in the moment. Special Air Mission 41 flying over College Station, soon to be the eternal home for now late President George H.W. Bush. We've just been watching, and we want to give you this time to observe as well this special moment. The voices you're hearing from people there on the ground of the campus observing and taking all of this in as well as they just witnessed history fly right above them at 20,000 feet. Our camera, of course, adjusting, trying to find the plane. Next stop, however, Ellington Field. We're expecting Special Air Force Mission 41 to land at Ellington Field in the 5 o'clock hour, running just a little bit behind schedule, but there will be an arrival ceremony that will take place there as well. And boy, is it beautiful at Ellington Field this afternoon, David Paul.
It is beautiful.